Most of us really have no clue what we have to do in our life. We listen to our parents saying few things in our childhood, and sometimes we also consider it as our only reality and start moving on the path thinking that we are moving towards our dreams. Are we really passionate about it? All the time we listen to people and move as they suggest, but when we encounter a setback, suddenly everything comes on us. We start blaming ourselves for everything that happened. We start looking at ourselves as inferior. Sometimes we also push hard to get up, work hard, invest more time and energy into that work. Still we don't see any results. Some people may think that they have come to an end of all the efforts they have put in all this time. What if the very next effort brings in some changes? Maybe this phase is telling you to take active control of your mind and redirect your focus on making your life a masterpiece. What if you reprogram your mind to attract whatever you want in life that gives you joy and happiness? But how? Here you need to know that your mind is the most powerful resource you have in this world. Your success is solely dependent on it. So, why not take control of your mind completely? Yes, it is possible. All you have to do is train your subconscious mind so that you can reprogram it to bring all the things in your favor. It may sound unrealistic to you, but I have certain tips that I would like to discuss with you in this video. Using these tips, you can reprogram your mind easily and attract whatever you need in life. When your mind is in your control, nothing can stop you from winning. So stay with us till the end of this video to learn the steps to reprogram your mind. Before we begin with this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I come up with a new video. Firstly, think big of yourself. Throughout life we meet some people who make us believe we are not good enough. Deep down, we know it's not the truth, but as the thought attacks us again and again, even we don't realize when we start believing in this lie. Start with addressing these negative thoughts that are deeply embedded in you. Accept the beliefs you have and the challenges you have at this point of time and begin to challenge their reality. Once you do that, you will be able to replace those toxic thoughts and negative beliefs with positive ones. Positive ones can be anything like, I deserve to be the billionaire. I deserve to be a happy person. When you start respecting yourself, things automatically start falling in your place. Second, look at the positive side. Do you know, right now, you may have a fear of losing things and we may not be aware of that, because of which we get stuck in the scarcity mindset. Here is a trick. Till now, you have always focused on the negative side of life. Let's do something new by starting to look at the positive side of your life, like how much people love you. Start prioritizing gratitude over criticism. By doing so, your brain will get reprogrammed and you will automatically start looking at the possibilities instead of focusing on the obstacles. Third, surround yourself with right people. Your subconscious mind is way smarter than you can ever imagine. It consumes every emotion, every news, and every vibe you come in contact with. The fun part is when your subconscious mind is changing your patterns based on your environment, you don't even come to know that you are going through a change in mind level. Therefore, to program your mind to give you positive results, you will have to surround yourself with positive people, read good books, listen to good music, and also maintain a safe distance from toxic people, social media, and fake news. When you are surrounded by positivity, your brain will automatically start looking at and respond to positive things. Number 4, create an image in your head. Suppose you make up your mind to diet from today. What are your chances to stay on a diet for at least a day? To be honest, chances are very few. But I have a trick for you. If you just think about you dieting for a day and leaving it, it will not give any results. Instead, begin to keep on visualizing the image of being in diet and becoming healthy. You will be able to diet for a day, a week, or a month without any issues. Whatever you imagine over and over again in your mind starts believing in it. By imagining yourself on a diet, you trained your mind first to have healthy food only, and then you started executing the activity. Your mind was ready for this change, so it didn't respond against you. Similarly, when you start imagining that you have something that you always wanted to achieve, you will automatically begin finding the possibilities of attaining that thing. Your firm belief in yourself and the universe will program your mind so that nothing could stop you from working in the direction to achieve whatever you desire. Here we come to the end of this fantastic video. What do you think? Is it an easy task to reprogram your mind, or it can be easily done like any other task? Let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. They can also reprogram their mind. See you in the next video. Till then, imagine something good. Thank you.